folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm in my garage doing something, and it's kind of odd. So I figured I'd record it before I do it. You ever seen one of those shovels where you push snow off your roof? It's an extended shovel, so you can pull it off. Well, I went to go find one. I can't find one, and so I bought since I couldn't find one, I bought probably a 16-foot long like paint roller. I think it's 16, 10 feet, 12. It's pretty long anyway. So I bought one, and I bought one of these things. So, actually, I'll show you what it is. I need to make something that'll push snow off the roof. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to drill a hole in a block, put this inside of the block of wood, strap it to the end, and basically screw it to a board. So if you stay tuned and watch me what I'm doing, I'll show you. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm doing. Let me adjust this here. I don't know if you can hear me, but what am I doing? I'm basically jerry rigging this thing. I think there's making a hole in here. I need it to, it's probably not going to fit, but I need that to fit in there. I need a bigger drill bit. Bigger drill bit. All right, hold on a second. Actually, I'll let it record. I think I found a bigger drill bit. So anyway, I'm drilling that, so if it's in there, you'll see what I'm doing in a second here. Oops, there we go. I'm putting this in here. I should put it a little more. See if it goes in further. So anyway, now do you see that? This is in here, see? What I'm gonna do is strap this to here. And then this, I'm gonna put a little strapping on the side here, and I'm gonna screw it on the end so I can just push snow with it, make a little mini shovel. It's not the greatest, that's all I got, and well, it better work. So I could put probably could put a shovel screwed it to the end. So anyway, I'm going to screw this on here now. I'm gonna drill some pilot holes. Watch this, I'll be able to find screws. You'd be like, yeah, where all the screws go? Who knows? Let me see, where's this thing? Yeah, we'll put it on the bottom here. Doesn't have to be perfect either. Just has to work. Just has to work for a little while. Let me get some screws. Hold on a second. There we go, like this. One. Did I mention too? This is a piece of pine. You know what happens to pine? When you abuse it, it snaps. So I'm not really counting on the fact that this is going to work too great. I'm just counting on the fact that it might work. How far is that? Right about there, I guess. Right about there. Take this out of here. It just has to work a little bit for a little while. Drills the pilot hole so I don't split the pine. The pine will probably split right on the, so it's on the roof. So anyway, we've got this attached to there, the little snow plow. Now, we're going to attach, see, I have a little, basically it's going to be put on about a 16-foot long pole. What's going to keep this from moving? I have no idea yet. That's all I got right now. See, right now it's just like that. I don't know. If I could drill a hole all the way through and notch it. I probably could cut it out with a saw and slop it right out the other side. Let me try that. Hold on, be right back. Hold on. See, we kind of got it in the slot, but we got to get a little deeper in there. So, like I said, I'm just jerry rigging this thing because it's probably going to break anyway. There we go. Gives a little bit of wiggle room. And where the hell? Maybe I can get it to go more. Longer drill bit would be awesome. Hello, folks. It's me again. There we go. I think one right out the other side. Did I get out the side? It's okay. Now I'm gonna do is find a little plate going here and cap it. So like this now. Let's see. Where the hell did this go through? This goes in here. Like so. Dun, 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 dun. Oop, where's the other one? So like I said, I have a roof. It needs to be cleaned, and that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning it. Gotta find the holes in there. I would have, what do you call it, made a homemade shovel, but you know, I need it now. I have the technology to make my own shovel, but I'd rather just do this. It's easier. Put that in there. This one in there. And this one in there. Like so. So now we have a little slot to put this thing in there, so I can push snow with it on the end of a pole. Doesn't look like much. It's got a little gimbal in there, and I just got to put a piece there. So I'm thinking of smashing one of these suckers down and putting it across there. So hold on one. Actually, no, leave it on. Where did I put all the hammers? Well, there, see. Like this, y'all. Now I'm going to put this across here so this doesn't come out. Yay, there's no really way of recording this, so. Okay, it doesn't really, I don't know, we'll try. Try anyway. Pop that out of there. Pop that in there. Try to record this. Try to record it. I think I'm gonna need a bigger pilot hole. A slightly bigger pilot hole. Let's try it. Yeah, I think it needs to be slightly bigger. At least I got one. There we go. Let's try it out now. Put this in there. This in there like that. There we go. There's one. Redneck ingenuity. Just right here. Come on. I gotta do this before the battery dies, because I don't think I have enough batteries. What the hell am I doing? Jesus. Like this. Let's get the drill bit and put on there. Now, folks, this is what I have. A little bulldozer stick. Put on the end of a thing, I can push snow with it. Is it perfect? Will it hold up? Who knows? It is what it is. Let me turn this higher here. So anyway, if you're in a pinch, I made myself a little, see, drill the hole in there, put a little thing there. Is it perfect? No, it's just to push snow, that's all it is, very lightly. Nothing too fancy, nothing crazy, just a little snow pusher that I need. Not a DRUG pusher, just a snow pusher. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and if you're the 1013th subscriber, you're awesome. If you're the 1000th subscriber, you're awesome. If you're any number of subscribers, any one of them, you're all awesome. Thanks for watching. Toodles.